mm and an empty weight of only 2.5 kilos, the AM-17 combines rifle-grade ballistic performance with the size of a submachine gun. And for the connoisseurs of Russian weapons, yes, it can absolutely replace the venerable AK-74U, the production of which was ceased in the early 90s. It's built around a dual receiver system, a very unusual and interesting solution. The upper receiver, where all the pressure and stress goes, is made of steel. The lower receiver is made from ABS polymer, reinforced for durability. This layout allows them to cut down weight significantly while delivering full rifle power. By the end of the day, you'll feel the difference. You've got ambidextrous controls, safety on either side. There is a full-length Picatinny rail across the upper receiver, which means you can run any compatible optic and that charging handle won't get in the way. The stock is adjustable, collapsing to the right, and it doesn't block access to the weapon when folded. Performance-wise, it's got that short-stroke gas piston system, tried, tested, and totally controllable. Especially for a 5.45 rifle of this size, this thing is surprisingly easy to keep on target. The AM-17 passed Russian state trials, and those are no joke. If a firearm can't deliver absolute mechanical strength and reliability, it's dead in the water. So who is this for? CQB operators, vehicle crews, rapid deployment teams, anyone who needs a compact weapon that won't fail in tight spaces or rugged environments. With a collapsed length of just 500 mm, it's a solid contender and, frankly, a refreshing change from the endless, overused variants you see at every competition. This might just push some old competitors aside on the international stage. Time will tell. The AM-17 has it all: modern materials, smart engineering, and a clear tactical purpose. If you like this breakdown, hit subscribe, put a like, and stay tuned not to miss modern firearms coming your way soon.